Are you sure these fish are not dying because of poor feed? Why are their bellies bulging?
My boss, I don't know what is killing our fish.
The problem is that you are always there with those guys you call your friends smoking. Yes.
Are you at the pond?
Yes, I'm here at the pond, but my fish are all dead. I'm seeing almost over 7 fish floating.
I have the same problem.
Hey.
Those ponds near the stream have more than 20 dead fish floating.
Have we been invaded by some kind of fish disease or what?
I'm taking these dead ones for post-mortem at the fishery.
I think that's a very good move. Please inform me of the results.
I will.
You cannot close the factory when it was established legally.
The waste from your factory is killing the fauna and flora, especially the aquatic life.
This factory must be shifted to another place. If you cannot demolish it, you may pay us and we do it for you.
We have worked together before, and you can still agree. This is a multi-million factory.
The environmental impact assessment confirms that the waste from your factory is affecting the community.
You should have dug a big pit.
That is 5 million for you, and 5 million for you. Give me about 6 months, and I'll have the pit ready.
6 months?
Okay, 3 months. You know, a good pit takes time.
You have 1 month. We shall be back.
Boss, people are outside there, they're demonstrating. They're demonstrating at the gate. There are many.
You can close the gate. Yes, officer. Can you please come to the factory right away? Yes, some hooligans want to burn down my factory.
Please calm down. We are going to solve the situation. You tell your men to open the gate. We are standing right outside.
And people are getting sick. That is why they are rioting.
Can you have a look at the permit you got from the Environmental Enforcement Agency? The permit is expired. The environmental impact assessment report shows that you have to have a big pit that housing the waste from your factory. Can you take us to that waste pit?
The contractors have not yet begun.
Then we must close the factory.
I agree. You cannot continue operating when the waste from your factory is destroying everything, including human lives.
Then we have to...
You are here, and what are you doing hiding there?
This cannot be a coincidence. How can you be quiet when the waste from the factory is affecting the community?
But we've been stopping him.
Stopping me? Then give me back my money.
You're all under arrest. Corruption is a crime. The giver and the receiver.
Officer, arrest him. Of course you will not do it. Move.
Love Uganda. Take a step right where you are there. Fight to stop corruption. You and I are responsible. Obuli wenguzi corruption. Burado bumalawe kwanga. Koko corruption. Killing our economy. Corruption is an evil. We need to fight that evil. That epidemic. Killing our economy. Okulwanyi senguzi. Wenange chitukwatako. Omulamuzi nowa police. Nawe chikwatako. Omusubuzi n'omusomesa. Nawe chikwatako. Politician, nawe chikwatako.